Molly, who's at the door? Molly, who is that? Molly, sit. You have to sit. I know. If you don't sit, I won't open the door. Who is it? Molly, sit. Good girl. Okay. Molly, sit. Nikki, open. You can open it. Good girl.